Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10S, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the Files application, which is right over here for me. Once you open it up, simply go to the categories, disregard any update if you have, go to categories, and in here you should see your two storages, so internal and the memory card. And I'm going to start by going into the internal storage where I believe my files will be. I'm going to quickly check, and yep, there they are. So just a quick overview where you can find different things. So in the DCIM folder you will find pictures and videos captured with the device. Downloads folder will contain anything that I have downloaded on this device using this device, and then there is also, where is it, pictures folder, there we go, which will contain screenshots, as you can see right here, and it also looks like it contains screen recordings as well. And the rest of the folders are primarily empty, assuming you haven't placed anything there yourself. So as you can see, you have things like sounds, ringtones, podcasts, notifications, music, movies, all that stuff. And usually, like I said, they will be empty unless you want to keep stuff organized. For instance, I place music into, well, music folder, so you know where to find it. But other than that, the device itself will save only into a couple of these folders, like I mentioned. So once you find your files, which for me it's going to be these photos right here, you want to select them. And to do so, simply hold the first file. As you can see, it will change. It will give you this checkbox right here, and from there you can tap on additional files to check more of them. You also have the ability to select all of them by tapping the box right here, and it will select every single file in this in the camera folder, which for me is just 5 different things. So that is a way, and you can deselect them if you want to, some of them if you don't want all of them. So, and from there, once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, you have two options. You can either copy or move it. Now, if you choose to copy, it's going to create duplicates, so you will have one set of those files in here that are selected, where they are, and then new ones wherever you choose to place them. While if you go with the move option, they will be completely removed from where they are right now and move to a new location of your choice. And I'm going to go with move for this. And as you can see, once you tap on one of the options at the bottom change. So now we have new folder, move, and other location. So from here, I'm gonna go back by tapping on this right here. So I can go, yep. So as you can see, I can back out and choose the memory card instead of the internal storage. And I can drop it anywhere I want in here, go into a folder that I want to drop it into, or simply create my own new folder that I could drop it into. But I'm not going to bother with any of those. I'm just going to tap drop here and drop it smack in the middle of the SD card. And they should be somewhere at the bottom, as you can see right over here. And this process will work for any kind of other files. It's the exact same way you would do it. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.